Zuckerberg just dropped a big update. Meta AI is now available on all your favorite platforms: WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook. Here are 14 incredible features you'll love. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. In this channel, we discuss everything related to AI and online tools that can help you with your daily workflow. If you are new to my channel, please support me by hitting the subscribe button. Also, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to receive new videos when they are made. Now, let's jump into the video. The first one is AI on Instagram. Now you can use Meta AI on Instagram to create stunning posts, engage followers, and automate your social media. The second is Meta AI is available on WhatsApp. Use all of Meta AI's features on WhatsApp to unleash your creativity and produce whatever you can dream of.
Cute flying dinosaur net. So cute.
Okay.
And he lives in a jungle with other animals.
The jungle. What should he be wearing?
Gold.
Gold.
No, strawberry.
Strawberries, that's a great idea.
Flying dinosaur night. I think they should travel with a big boat.
A big sailing ship.
But suddenly there's a storm.
Oh no, they're in a storm?
Order's ready.
Thank you. Who saved them?
A kind wizard with a funny hat.
Should we send it to Grandma?
Yeah.
Me? Sir too. I think she'll like her a lot. Yeah, Grandma used to have hair like that, right?
Next is Imagine Me. Type Imagine Me in your Meta AI chat to unlock a world of creativity and possibilities. Start now and let your imagination soar. Let me know of your experience in the comment section. The next feature allows you to add a Meta AI image to your Facebook post. Meta is rolling out image creation in feeds, stories, comments, and messages on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp this week. Did you know you can create a new game from scratch using Meta AI now? Bring your wildest ideas to life in minutes, even placing yourself inside the game. Let's look at the next feature, which is Edit Image. Enhance your image using Meta AI tools, which offer advanced editing features for superior quality and stunning visual results. Now, with Meta AI, you can become your dream character. Transform into your dream character with Meta AI, exploring endless possibilities and unlocking new dimensions of creativity and self-expression. I want to also let you know that Meta AI is now available in 22 countries. The new ones are Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, Peru, Cameroon. Available on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook in French, German, Hindi, Romanized Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish. Llama 405B on WhatsApp 4, assistance with math homework, code debugging and optimization, clarification of complex technical concepts. One of the new features is creative editing. This allows you to add or remove objects, change them, and edit them easily, adjusting only what you want while keeping the rest of the image the same. With the new update, you can use Meta AI anytime and anywhere. Incorporate Meta AI into your routine for unparalleled productivity and creativity anytime, anywhere. This next feature will blow you away because it is what a lot of people have been asking for. Meta AI now has a voice. You can now use your voice to talk to Meta AI on Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram DM, and it will respond out loud. How cool is that?
I can help you with things like creating images, answering your questions, or giving you advice.
I can help you with things like creating images, answering your questions.
I can help you with things like creating images, answering your questions, or giving you advice.
Spark your creativity with Meta AI's Imagine feature. You can create images from text in real time using Meta AI's Imagine feature. They're already starting to roll this out in beta on WhatsApp and the Meta AI web experience in the US. I'm sure you found this update helpful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button for more videos.